We are big enough, we got all the cool toys. We got metabolic carts, we got wet labs, but we're small enough that it's actually you that can get involved with the faculty member for that. So I always refer to us as kind of like the Goldilocks zone for students. You're able to get engaged with our faculty more than you can at larger state schools.
There's a lot of faculty with a lot of different experiences that students can learn from. There's a lot of students that students can interact with as well to learn from each other. And so it's a good environment in terms of the student environment, the faculty environment. There's also a lot of great resources for students in the kinesiology department.
We have faculty here in the kinesiology program area that are just ready to work alongside you, lead you when you need to be led, follow you when you need to lead us, and we are really here to be the best mentors and teachers that we can be.
One reason students come to Miami is because they have more access to professors. Being primarily a teaching university, everybody that helps me in the lab is an undergraduate or a master's student. So if you want hands-on experience in the lab, this is a good place to get it.